Okay. Can you introduce your name? What's your name?
My name is Claire.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 9 years.
Okay. You're 9 years old. Okay. Look at the picture. Okay. Can you point where is the crocodile? Where is the crocodile?
It's
Well, can you point? Okay. Where is the crocodile in this picture? Crocodile, okay? Where is the cow? Where is the cow? Can you point where is the cow? Just point. Just touch. Just touch the cow. No. Just touch the cow, okay? Can you, okay, cow, okay. How about dog? Dog. Okay, very good. How about giraffe? Okay, how many giraffe can you see?
There are 2 graphs.
Okay, 2 giraffes. Okay, how about cats in the tree? Can you see cats in the tree?
There are 2 cats.
In
And the
top of?
cat and the tree.
Okay, how many people can you see?
There are 4 people. There are 4 people.
Okay, can you see a duck in the picture? Okay, very good. How about frog? Can you see a frog in the picture? Okay, the frog is on the head of the duck. Okay, how about elephant? Can you see an elephant?
Elephant.
Okay. Alright, look at the picture here. What is the color of the crocodile?
The crocodile is green.
Okay. What color is this?
It's purple.
Okay, what color?
Red.
Okay. Tell me about the monkey. Tell me about the monkey. Can you see a monkey? Here? Can you see a monkey here?
White.
Okay, can you see? Okay, tell me about the monkey. The
The
monkey
monkey
is
is on the tree.
on the top. Okay. Alright, can you count how many birds? Birds. Can you count how many birds?
There are 7 birds.
Okay, very good. What are the boys doing? These 2 boys, what are they doing?
There are 2 boys and
Okay. They are 2 boys are eating ice cream. Okay. How many bags? Can you see bags on the sand? Bags. Can you see bags?
There are 2 birds.
Okay, there are 3 bags. Okay. How many boats can you see?
There are 3 boys.
No. Boats.
There are 3 boats.
Okay. So how many are girls?
There are 2 girls.
Okay. How about boys? How many boys?
There are 2 boys.
There are.
Three.
Okay. How many boys?
There are 3 boys.
Okay. What is this? It's a helicopter.
It's a helicopter.
Okay, what is this?
It's a camera.
Okay, very good. What is this?
It's a box.
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 What is this?
It's a tree.
What is this?
It's a grape.
Okay, it's a grapes. Okay. What is this?
It's a snake.
Okay. What is this?
It's a computer.
What is this?
It's piano.
Can you play a piano? Yes or no? Can you play a piano?
Yes.
Okay. How about computer? Do you know how to use this computer? Desktop?
No.
Do you like snakes?
No.
Do you like to eat grapes?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
How about this fries? Do you like to eat fries?
Yes, I do.
Do you know how to use this camera?
Yes, I do.
Can you fly with a helicopter? Do you know how to fly this helicopter? Yes or no?
No, I do.
Do you like banana?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you have animals at home or do you have pets at home?
No, I do.
Oh, you don't. Okay. But do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
How about dogs? Do you like dogs?
No, I don't.
Okay. So, again, can you tell me your mother's name? Can you tell me your mother's name? Mine. My mother's name.
My mother's name is Lou.
Okay. How about your father? What's the name of your father? My father's name.
My father's name is Pat.
Okay. So, how many people live in your house?
There are 4 people.
There are?
There are 5.
Okay, people. Okay, congratulations.